Have you ever gotten tired of repeating the same task over and over again on Linux? For example, running the same command manually every single day. Fortunately, Linux gives us a way to automate such tasks using shell scripts and cron. Hi, it's Phương here. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a simple script called greet.sh to greet the user by name. Use cron to automatically run that script on a schedule. And finally, build a basic CI/CD pipeline using cron to automatically backup or copy data between two folders, remote and local. This video is designed to help you understand everything from the most basic level. So first, let's start by writing a simple reading shell script. Okay. Now we will use the vim command to create the file with .sh. A shell script is simply a text file containing Linux commands. We will create a file called read.sh to input a name and print a green. Here's the basic structure of the shell script. The first line bin bash tells the system to use the bash shell to execute the script. Okay, the echo command prints a message to the screen. In this case, we will use echo what is your name. Okay, to prompt for input. The read name command waits for user input and stores it in a variable called name. Then echo hello name. Displays a personalized greeting using the name entered. Now we will save this file and run the following command to make it executable. chmod greet.sh. Enter. Next, let's run the script. You can see a message asking what is your name. Type your name. John. Enter and script will read it and print. Hello, John. This is a basic example of an iterative shell script. When you want to run a script automatically at fixed times, daily, hourly, you can use cron. Cron is a Linux utility that schedules scripts or commands to run at specific intervals. It is challenge. You will configure a fake CI/CD pipeline using that a shell script and a cron job. First, we are going to create two directories to simulate the source and destination. mkdir with option P, remote, enter, mkdir with option P, local, enter, okay. Let's assume we have some new files or data in the remote folder. You can simulate this by creating a few empty files. cd remote touch in .html style .css banner .jpg. Enter. Okay. The goal is every day Cron will run a script to copy everything from remote to local. If the remote folder is actually on another server, we can use SCP to transfer files. Okay. Now let's create the script, for example, by line.sh with the following content. Okay. The line CP with option R, remote and local. Recursively copy some files from remote to local. And the call command logs a timestamped message to byline.log to keep track of each run. Now we save this file and make it executable. chmod pyline.sh, enter. Now we are going to gather this pyline.sh script to run daily. Open your Crontab using Crontab with option E, enter, add a line like this. This will run by line.sh every day at 7:30 a.m. You can adjust the time as needed. When Cron runs the script, it will copy the data and log the activity. After setup, let's verify whether Cron is actually running. You can set the cron schedule to 2 minutes from now and observe the result. For example, if it's currently 50 reopen Crontab and set to okay. This will run the script every 2 minutes. After 2 to 4 minutes, check the log file. Okay. Cat by line dot log. Enter. Also check the destination folder. ls local. Okay. You should see files copy from remote. Okay. To test further, create more files in the remote folder. Enter and check ls local. Okay. And cat by line.log again after a few minutes. Okay. Additionally, cron logs is activity in var log cron. Okay. You can run grep cron to see what's happening behind the scenes. Okay. If everything is working correctly, you now have an automated pipeline. Cron runs the script. The script handles the task. It is copying files, and you can optionally add very recent steps like sending email notifications or running tests. So by the end of this video, you have learned how to create a simple shell script greet.sh that prompts and greets the user. Use cron to schedule automatic execution of scripts. Build a very basic CI/CD style pipeline using a cron job to copy data between folders. These are fundamental skills for anyone interested in Linux automation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more hands-on Linux DevOps and automation content every week. Thanks for watching.